Hello from AlphaCars. My name is Dan, and today we have something very special for Mercedes AMG fans. We have this 2018 AMG E63 S wagon, enhanced by RENNtech. This wagon just came in from Florida and is absolutely stunning. With just under 12,000 miles, it has every option that you could ever want. Absolutely beautiful. White on tan interior. Not a flaw or blemish anywhere. The black rims are perfect and contrast beautifully with the red calipers and the white paint. It has some nice carbon fiber details on the mirrors. It leads you into the black badge on the fender. This is one potent wagon. It also comes equipped with the latest laser and radar detector, and all the typical bells and whistles that you find on an AMG. Let's step inside. Check out some of the creature comforts. Along with heated front seats, you get cooled front seats. The black trim is stunning. Burmeister sound system. All of the driver assistant controls. Steering assist, lane keep assist, heads-up display, and even air ride suspension. So if you do live it on a more secluded path, you can raise the suspension. Stepping into the back. Great amount of cargo space and passenger space. You know, if you're one that is thinking of a modern SUV, this is just a wonderful alternative. It provides not only road handling of a sports sedan, the obvious performance of a sports sedan, but it also provides ample cargo space. The high-rise trunk can easily fit your golf clubs in. Easily 4 sets. Automatic closing, and also the rear seats automatically fold down as well, which is a nice feature. LED projectors on the ground when you open the door. Illuminated door sills. And this behind the wheel. So some of the unique features of this E63, it actually has the acoustic glass installed, meaning that it will be a little bit quieter than your typical E-Class. Multiple driving modes, obviously. You can kind of customize it as you like with the individual settings. There's multiple displays you can go through, from classic to sport, and even one that is a little bit more modern. You have your heads-up display, your phone connectivity, media, radio, navigation, and all this is done through a nice little touch panel right here. Kind of the most recent addition to Mercedes-Benz vehicles. And you have the same on the right hand side that controls the command center. Moving down, you have your LED accent lights throughout the cabin. And there's a multitude of colors to change based off your personal preference. All your climate controls with left and right zones. Your audio controls, navigation, radio, media if you're listening to Bluetooth or CD, your telephone controls, and your vehicle settings. This one obviously has climate control, dynamic select, which is for your personal settings. It actually has a track mode, all the assistance, consumption, and light settings, and vehicle settings. Moving into the center, you have your motion control, along with your ability to adjust what driving mode you're in on the fly. Manual for the transmission, sports suspension, traction control, exhaust, valves, and all your camera controls right here. And this is equipped with the 360-degree camera, parking assist, and a nice couple other front view cameras as well that make it a cinch to park. Side view, rear view, traditional rear view with top down, and the ability to search for parking spaces. Here is the discrete controller for your radar detector. It also has some equipment up in here as well behind the mirror. Panoramic sunroof, ample lighting, and at the touch of a button you can close all that as well. This is equipped with a RENNtech downpipe, so it is a little bit throatier than your typical E63. It adds around 14 horsepower to the traditional E63 numbers, and it just makes this vehicle bark even more. I'm going to set down the camera, run inside real quick, and fire it up for you. It is definitely one of the most intoxicating Mercedes-Benz sounds. If you have any questions about this E63 or any other vehicles in our lineup, feel free, give us a call, 978-263-9000. Check us out, AlphaCars.com, or feel free to stop into one of our showrooms. We'd love to see you. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.